students. So now we are going to learn our favorite subject, maths. So in the Zoom class, in the previous Zoom class, we have learned till exercise 2.8. So we have completed all the sums till exercise 2.8. So now in this video we are going to next exercise 2.3c. Okay. So in the previous exercise we have learnt about subtraction without regrouping. So in this exercise we are going to do sums by subtraction with regrouping. Okay. So we are going to borrow and we are going to do the sums. Okay. So shall we start? So the first exercise 2.3c, a sum, subtract. So in the a sum we have 4 sums. We are going to do the first sum now. Okay, 3, 4, 4, 5, 1348. Okay, we are going to subtract this. So first we will write the places. So this is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, so in the subtraction, so first put the minus symbol. Okay, in subtraction the first number should be bigger than the below number. Okay, so if we see in ones place we have 5 in the first place and 8 in the below place. So we cannot subtract it, it can't be subtracted. Okay, so we have to borrow. So we can borrow from the tens place. We can cut 4, write 3, and here we can write as 15. So 1 will come here and the number 3 will be written in the tens place. Okay, so what is 15 minus 8? We are going to subtract 15 minus 8 now. So what is 15 minus 8? 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 comes in which number? 7th number. So what is the answer? 7 is the answer. So ones place we got 7. So here in tens place, so we have 3 minus 4. Can we subtract 3 minus 4? No, we cannot subtract because 3 is smaller than 4. So we should borrow a number from nearby place. So what is the nearby place? Hundreds is the nearby place. So we can borrow one number. So 4, before 4 what we have? 3 we have. And here it comes 1. Okay. So now we can subtract 13 minus 4. So 13 is bigger than 4. So we can subtract 13 minus 4. So what is 13 minus 4? 4 after, count till 13 comes. Okay. 4 after, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many numbers? How many fingers? 9 fingers. So what is the answer? 9 is the answer. Then 3 minus 3. So 3 minus 3, nothing is there. So 0. Here 3 minus 1. So what is 3 minus 1? 2. Okay. So what is the answer? You have to write answer equal to 2097. Okay. So after completing each sum, you have to draw line using pencil. So draw a straight line using pencil. Okay. Now shall we move on to the next sum, the second sum. So what is the second sum? 4965 minus 2000 446. We are going to subtract this now. Okay. So first what we have to do, we have to write the place values. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay. Shall we subtract this now? Yes. So 5 minus 6. Can we subtract 5 minus 6? No, we cannot subtract. What we have to do? We have to borrow it from the tens place. So if we cut 6, so before 6 what we have? 5, and we can add 1 in the ones place. So what is 15 minus 6? 15 minus 6, 6 after 7. You have to count till 15 comes. Okay. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many numbers are there? 9. Okay, so the answer is 9. So what is 5 minus 4? 5 is greater than 4. So we can subtract these numbers. So what is 5 minus 4? 5 minus 4. What is the answer? 1. What is 9 minus 4? Take 9 fingers. 9 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the answer? 5. What is 4 minus 2? 1, 2. What is the answer? 2. So the answer is 2519. Right answer equal to 2519. Draw a line. Okay. Now we are going to the next sum. Third sum. 6570 minus 3397. Can we subtract this now? So first places. The ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay. Can we subtract 0 minus 7? So 0 is smaller than 7. So we cannot subtract this. What we have to do? We have to borrow a number from the tens place. So if we borrow 7, the before number of 7 is 6, and here we add 1. So what is 10 minus 7 now? We have 10 and here 7. So 10 is bigger than 7. So we can subtract this. So what is 10 minus 7? 10 minus 7 is 3. So write 3. So can we subtract 6 and 9? So 6 is smaller than 9. We cannot subtract. So borrow a number. Before number of 5 is 4, and we'll add 1 to this tens place. Okay. So what is 16 minus 9? So count till 16 comes. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how many fingers? 7 fingers. So the answer is 7. So what is 4 minus 3? 4 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. What is the answer? 1 is the answer. Good. One is the answer. Then 6 minus 3. Take 6 fingers. You have to subtract 3 in this. 1, 2, 3. So what is the remaining fingers? 3 fingers. So write 3. So the answer is 3173. So right answer equal to 3173. Okay, the fourth sum is homework sum for you. Okay, so mark fourth sum as your homework sum. Okay, so next, second Roman letter, that is B. Find the difference between given numbers. Okay, so in the question, if we see the word difference between, you have to subtract. Okay, and in the question, if you see the word sum, means you have to add. Okay, so difference between means you have to subtract, and the word sum means you have to add. Okay, so find the difference between given numbers. So in this second Roman letter we have 4 sums. So we will do the first sum now. 4352 and 5020. Okay, shall we do now? Yes. Okay, 4352 and 5020. So in these two numbers, which is biggest number? 4352 is the biggest number, or 5020 is the biggest number? Yes, 5020 is the biggest number. So what we have to do? We have to write the biggest number first. 5020 minus, next we can write this smallest number. So 4352. We are going to subtract this. So can we write the place values? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay. Can we subtract 0 minus 2? 0 is smaller than 2. So we cannot subtract. We have to borrow this. So 2, here 1, and here we have 10 now. Okay. So what is 10 minus 2? What is 10 minus 2? 10 minus 2 is 8. The answer is 8. So can we subtract 1 minus 5? No, we cannot subtract 1 minus 5. What we have to do? We have to borrow it from the nearby place. So if we see the nearby place 100, we have 0. So can we borrow? Can we borrow a number from 0? No, we cannot borrow. So what we have to do? We have to go to the next place. So the next place is thousands place. So here we have 5. So we can borrow a number from 5. So 5, here 4, and here we'll have 10, right? But we are subtracting 10's place. So what we have to do? We have to borrow. Now we can borrow this because it is 10. So we can borrow this. So here 9, and here here 1. So here we have 11, and here we have 5. So what is 11 minus 5? So 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many fingers? 6 fingers. So here 6 is the answer. So can we subtract 9 minus 3? Yes, we can subtract 9 minus 3 because 9 is biggest number than 3. Okay. So what is 9 minus 3? 6. Then here we have 4 and 4. So what is 4 minus 4? 4 minus 4 is 0. So 0 has no value. So the answer is 668. Okay. we don't need to put this 0 because 0 has no value. Okay, to the next sum now. B sum. 1438 and 3370. Which is the biggest number? 1438 or 3370? Yes, this is the biggest number. So we have to write this first, 3370. Then we have to write the next number, 1438. Now we are going to subtract this number. So here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, right? Okay. So can we subtract 0 and 8? No, we cannot subtract. So we have to borrow from the nearby place. So 7, we'll cut 7, and here we'll have 6, and here we have 10 now, right? So here we have 10. So what is 10 minus 8? 10 minus 8 is what? 2. So the answer is 2. What is 6 minus 3? 6 minus 3 is 3. So can we subtract 3 and 4? 3 is smaller. So have to borrow. So here 2 and here 1. So what is 13 minus 4? So 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the number is 9. So we'll have 9 here. And what is 2 minus 1? 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is 1932. Okay, the next sum. C sum, 2526 and 8431. So which is the largest number? 8431 is the largest number. So write 8431. And the next number now, 2526. We are going to subtract this. So here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So can we subtract 1 minus 6? No. So we have to borrow from the next place. So I'll cut 3. So what is the before number of 3? 2 is the before number of 3. And we'll borrow 1 from the tens place. So we can add 1 here. Okay. So what is 11 minus 6? 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 5 here. So what is 2 minus 2? 2 minus 2 is 0. What is 4 minus 5? Can we subtract 4 minus 5? No, we cannot subtract. So we can borrow 8. So what is the before number of 8? 7 is the before number of 8. And we'll borrow 1 from the thousands place to the hundreds place. Now we can subtract 14 minus 5. So what is 14 minus 5? 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we got 14 in 9 fingers. So what is the answer? 9 is the answer. So what is 7 minus 2? Take 7 finger. 2 minus, what is the answer? 5 is the answer. Good. Okay, the answer is 5905. Okay. Okay, I am going to give you homework sums now. So the rest of the sums we'll discuss in the Zoom class. Homework. Subtract the following. I am going to give 3 sums for you. Very easy sums, okay? You are going to subtract this and you are going to send me now. 8,953 minus 5,964. Write the place values and you have to subtract. Okay. So the second sum is 4,204 minus 1,207. Okay. And the third sum is 3,361 and 9,000. So this is find the difference between given numbers. Okay, so complete this 3 homeworks, 3 sums, and take a photograph and submit it through WhatsApp. Okay, so if you have any doubts on this, you can call me or you can ask me in a text message. Okay, thank you students.